Sai Ram students. So today we shall take the second lesson, that is, there is a girl by the tracks, written by Devan Kanal. So very important. Then there is a particular value is conveyed through this lesson. So the lesson conveys a value, a moral principle. Now come to the lesson. There is a girl by the tracks. Track means railway track. A girl is lying beside the track. There is nobody dared to go where this youngster did. This youngster did something great, something useful, something wonderful job, but nobody dared to go there, that place. Dare means prove courage. Dare, prove courage. ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ. How dare you are. Nobody dared to go where this youngster did. Paragraph number 1. Come to the first paragraph. As the Mumbai suburban electric train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talriza tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead and Roma, jammed between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed, lost her tenuous foothold and panicked. What happened? As the Mumbai suburban electric train. So the incident happened in Mumbai. When the time is given there. When the suburban electric train. What is suburban? Meaning is given there. One word substitute that one. Of a place outside a city. Outside a city of Mumbai. There is a place, suburban electric train. It was an electric train. See the article, an electric train. A train. Made its 22nd. When? At 6:32 p.m. That means in the evening. At 6:32 p.m. the train halted, stopped in a particular station for about 20 seconds. Only for about 20 seconds it made its halt, made its stop. Halt means stop. Halt, stop. So how long did it stop there in that particular station? 20 seconds. When? At 6:32 p.m. What happened? At a station, commuters. Now who is a commuter? Meaning is given there. Very important word. One who travels to workplace daily. He is called a commuter. One who travels from his hometown to workplace and returns to his hometown. He is called a commuter. Correct? So commuters, passengers, swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. Swam means, meaning is given there, verb rush. swammed into, rushed into, rushed out means it was a peak hour. Everyone is rushing towards their house, their home. So we could see heavily packed coaches. So commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. So packed coaches, coaches noun. What kind of coaches? Packed coaches. Packed is adjective. Filled with passengers. Then, so how many coaches did that train have? The train had 12 coaches. It is a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. So what is a regular scene? First question. It is a regular scene. What was the regular about the scene? It means what? Regular means what? Regular opposite. Regular, irregular. Regular, irregular. Scene, noun. Drishya. Entha drishya? Regular scene. Regular is adjective. Regularity is noun. Regularly, I go to work regularly, adverb. Irregular, opposite. So here, it is a regular scene. So what is the scene here? See the homophone. S-C-E-N-E, S-E-E-N. Homophones. Pronunciation same, spelling different, meaning different. I haven't seen you since dash. This one. It is a wonderful scene. This one. Drishya. Correct? So, regular scene. So, what was the regular scene? The passengers swarming out and into the packed coaches were in most populated metropolis of India is a regular scene. Correct? Then, very important question. Passengers rushing into and rushing out of the coaches were not only in Mumbai but also in all the metropolitan cities. Metropolis is a regular scene. We can see that scene everywhere. Correct? So, regular scene in and around, in metropolis and around India. India's most populated metropolis. What is metropolis? Metropolis. Is it given there meaning? No. Then what is the meaning of metropolis? A large city, most important city of a country is called metropolis. Correct? A large, busy city, especially as the main city of a country. It's a main city of a country, large city and busy city, that is called metropolis. Noun. Metropolis. Then you might have heard the word metropolitan school. Correct? Metropolitan means related to, belonging to metropolis. Metropolis nalli iruvantaha school metropolitan school. Correct? So, metropolis, it's a large city. Having just, so what did happen there? Having just managed to squeeze. Squeeze means what? To fit into a small place. To fit into a small place or tight place. To make something or someone or oneself adjust to a particular small tight place. Squeeze, mudurtale. Or to force someone or something in a smaller place. That is squeeze, mududu kutkoltare. You might have seen in buses, correct? Squeeze herself into a ladies compartment. Ladies compartment. Lady singular, possessive. Ladies, like this. Then here, LADIES. Ladies compartment. See the apostrophe, where did they use? After yes. Hudagiyara, Hengasara, Mahileyara. Correct? Mahileya, singular. Mahileyara compartment, after yes. Ladies compartment. 21-year-old call center executive, Roma Talriza. So, who is Roma Talriza? What is she? She is a call center executive. She is working in a call center. So, who squeezed herself into a ladies compartment? Yeah, Roma Talriza. Squeezed. Rashida karana. Mududi. Nintkoltale. Entered. Try to settle into. Settle means adjust. She tried to settle into. She tried to become firm. She tried to become calm. Tried to settle into a corner near the door. So she adjusted herself in the corner of the door. She tried to find a safer place. ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ ರೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಗಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. The train, after 20 seconds halt, the train hurtled. Hurtle means, meaning is given there, move fast. Hurtled means moved fast. ವೇಗವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿತು. Hurtled. Ahead means, hurtled ahead means moved forward. It moved forward. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. Ahead. And Roma jammed. Jam means unable to move. She was unable to move. She was stuck. Stuck. She was unable to move. She was stuck. Jammed between other women. Where do we use the preposition between? Two things. The fight was between his brother and there is a fight between two friends. There is a fight among friends. 3 or more. Then, between other women, was trying to find some space. She was trying, past continuous tense, she was trying to find some space, place, good place, safer place, and to stand safely. She was trying to stand safe, opposite unsafe. Now she is unsafe. She is trying to find a space to stand. How? Safely. Safely on when she suddenly got pushed. So when she was trying to stand firmly, safely, she suddenly got pushed. Push opposite pull. She got pushed. How? Suddenly. Sudden, gradual. Suddenly, gradually. Suddenly got pushed. Someone pushed her. She didn't stand firmly. Then what happened? Lost her what? Tenacious foothold. What is tenacious? Weak or shaky. She couldn't stand firmly. She was unable to stand firmly. Then what happened? She got lost her tenacious or weak foothold. What is foothold? Foothold means a solid grip. She lost her grip. Foothold and panicked. Opposite relaxed. Panicked means fear, horror. Then, I think you understood the first paragraph. Correct? See the questions. First question. How long did the train stop at the station? What do you mean by the word commuter? Who or what was Roma Talriza? How old was she? Then come to the second paragraph. Her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. The clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of her fall onto the ground more than a meter below. She was knocked senseless. So what did she do? When she was pushed, when she got pushed, she had to save herself. What did she do? Her hands immediately, what happened? Reached for the steel railing. See the word steel. S-T-E-E-L. Homophone. S-T-E-A-L. Steel rod. Iron rod. This one. Steal. Don't steal anything from others. This one. So spelling different, meaning different, spelling, pronunciation same. Steel, railing. Railing means steel railing. Noun. It's a noun. A bar or a rod. Why? To hold, to stop falling. To avoid the fall, she tried to hold the bar, hold the rod, hold the railing of the train. ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು. ಅಬೋವ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು, ಅಬೋವ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಬಟ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಡ್ ಶಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ railing? Was she able to hold the railing? No. She found what? Only air. Kevala. Air means she couldn't get it. What happened? Roma was thrown out of the coach. As a result, she was thrown out of the coach. ಆ ಕೋಚ್ನ ರೈನ್ನ ಬೋಗಿಯಿಂದ ಎಸೆಯಲ್ಪಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Now where is she? The clattering. Did she cry? Did she shout? Yes, she shouted. Could others hear her? No. The clattering roar. Roar means garjane. Clattering roar. Roar noun. Clattering, what kind of roar? Clattering, clatter means make a loud sound. When a lorry or a vehicle moves on a stony road, it creates a sound unable to bear. That is called clatter. So here the clattering sound, the loud sound of the train muffled. Muffle means lower. Muffle means hide. Muffled what? The thud means sound of her fall. So when she fell on the ground, when she reached the ground, when she was thrown out of the moving train, the fall of the sound of the fall was muffled by the roaring sound of the train. So nobody could hear her cry. Fall onto the ground more than a meter below. So where is she? She is on the ground between the tracks. She was lying there. What is the result of the fall? She was knocked. What is knock? Knock means K-N-O-C-K. Strike, hit with a hard blow. Strike with a hard blow or hit. Knocked, senseless. Senseless means a state of unconsciousness. Smriti, prajñೆ ತಪ್ಪಿದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. That means when she was thrown out of the moving coach, she was unconscious. She became unconscious. She lost her consciousness. Correct? Then, come to the third paragraph. Standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction, 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra couldn't believe what he had just seen. A young woman in a black salwar kameez lying next to the tracks. Meanwhile, gasps and screams emanated from his compartment. What? There is a girl by the tracks, the voices cried out. The train of Roma Talriza was moving in one direction, and one more train is arriving in the opposite direction in another track. Correct? So Roma was lying here between the tracks. Correct? Then the passengers of Roma's train couldn't recognize her, but the passengers of the train which was coming from opposite direction saw the girl lying beside the track. Then how did they respond? What was the reaction of the passengers? See, it is given in the third paragraph. Standing near the door of another train. Who? Baleshwar. So Baleshwar was traveling in another train which was coming from the opposite direction. So he was standing near the door. Speeding, speed, sped, sped. Speed present tense, sped past tense, sped past participle. Speeding in the opposite direction. Who? 20-year-old Baleshwar. Roma was 21-year-old woman. Baleshwar was 20-year-old boy. Couldn't believe. He was not able to believe. He is unable to believe. Could not believe. Believe opposite. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. Disbelief. Belief. Disbelief. Believable. Unbelievable. Could not believe what he had just seen. So what had he seen? He had seen a girl lying by the side of the track. But he could not believe his eyes. It is beyond expectation. Seen a young woman. See the article used. Young. A young. Ear, Y-E-A-R, A-ear, a ear, pronunciation, letter is A, pronunciation A. A young woman in black salwar kameez, so she was wearing black salwar kameez, lying, she was lying, she was found lying next to the tracks, next to his track. Who saw? Baleshwar saw. Meanwhile, at the same time, what happened? Gasps. What is gasp? I think meaning is given there. A deep breath taken when surprised. That means the passengers of Baleshwar's train were surprised to see the girl lying by the truck. Astonished. Gasps, take sudden breath when with the mouth open, when surprised. ये दूसरी बिडुवंतो. Gasps, important word that one. And screams. Scream means arachata. I scream. Correct? When something happens. Am I right? In fear. So gasps and screams emanate. Emanate means come from. Meaning is came from what? His compartment. So what was the scream? What was the shout? What was the cry? That is, there is a girl by the tracks. The voices cried out. Important for extract. So, there is a girl by the tracks, the voices cried out. Whose voices were they? They were the voices of the passengers of Baleshwar's train. Correct? Who is the girl? The girl is Roma Talriza. Correct? Then, what had happened to the girl? The girl was thrown out of the moving train and she was unconscious and she was lying by the tracks. It's the answer. Correct? Then, the passengers saw the girl. What is the tag? Saw is the verb. Then what is the helping verb here? Saw. See means do see. Sees means does see. Saw means it is a past tense, so it should be did. Correct? The sentence, given sentence is affirmative sentence, so you should use negative. Negative means not. It becomes didn't. Correct? Then next second word is the pronoun. So what is the pronoun to be used here instead of the passengers? That is they. So didn't they is the answer. Correct? How to make it negative? The passengers saw means, yeah, correct. What is answer? Did. Saw means did. Did not. Did not. Next word should be the root word, that is see. The passengers did not see the girl. It is negative. Correct? Then frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. How to frame a question? Very easy. All these three things are interrelated. Remember. So it should be your answer. How to frame a sentence? Girl means, can we use the word what? No, it's not a thing. Living being. So who or whom? Then girl means who. Or whom. Who also correct. Whom. Then comes the helping verb. Which is the helping verb? Did. Then comes the subject. Which is the subject? The passengers. Who did the passengers? Next word, did see becomes saw. Who or whom did the passengers see? The passengers saw the girl.